We went to visit Steve Whitton, an expert mould maker. He told us that 20 years ago, the area was bustling with foundries. Whitton Castings is now one of the few foundries of its kind left in London. I was inspired by my visit to draft a series of designs that respond to the process of sand casting. Since he left school at 15, over the span of the last 50-odd years, Steve has been casting everything, ranging from Hyde Park's bronze gates to a 3-metre tall version of Ringo Starr's hand. Steve practices sand casting, which is one of the oldest manufacturing methods, with origins that date back over 3,000 years. The patterns crafted in our workshop are placed in red oil sand to create a mould for the metal. Using just rudimentary tools, Steve expertly crafts channels for the molten metal to flow through. The mould has to be clamped securely as it goes through a large amount of pressure during the casting. The metal is heated to over 1000 degrees Celsius in a furnace in preparation for the pour. Surrounded by molten metal and steam, we were taken back to an earlier time where physical craftsmanship was a centre point of local communities. We witnessed the magic of watching molten metal crystallise in a matter of minutes, turning from a malleable fluid to a solid casting that will last forever. We wanted to work with Whitton Castings to support local small-scale manufacture and celebrate its rich heritage. After casting, the products are brought back to our workshop for post-machining and grinding to create a material contrast to the textured sandcast surfaces. We are using reclaimed leather set into the body to protect your desk. Makers Cabinet Editions is our new series where we seek out makers and craftspeople to create a collection of unique objects that are locally made. Pour leans forward, uniquely cantilevered to present your tools to you. Core and billet are low-profile cast desk trays with a subtle curve and lip. Join us in our journey to support local industry and heritage craft.